Right now, your bones could be weakening without you noticing. Bone loss is silent, invisible, and affects millions over 50 without warning. Most seniors realize they losing up to 3% of their bone mass every year after 50. By 70, you could have lost a quarter of your bone strength, and by 80, half. Every 3 seconds, someone suffers a fracture from osteoporosis, around 8.9 million fractures per year. Your diet could be accelerating this process. Foods you think are harmless may increase fracture risk by more than 50%. Bone health isn't just about calcium. It's also about hormones that signal growth, hidden acids that strip calcium from your skeleton, and inflammation that slowly erodes bone tissue. Today, we'll reveal 4 foods that protect and rebuild bones and 4 that silently destroy them. These recommendations are based on peer-reviewed science. First, let's look at the foods that strengthen your bones. Number 4 is Greek yogurt. It is a concentrated bone-strengthening powerhouse. 1 cup delivers 250 to 300 milligrams of calcium, about a quarter of your daily needs, along with protein, which makes up about half of bone volume. Protein keeps bones flexible and resistant to fractures. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics that improve gut health, enhancing calcium absorption. Studies show older adults consuming probiotic-rich dairy have higher bone density. It is also rich in phosphorus and potassium, which help strengthen bones and neutralize acids that leach calcium. Pair it with berries for vitamin C to support collagen, or with nuts for better calcium utilization. Number 3 is sardines. Small and often overlooked, sardines combine calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. A 100-gram serving with bones provides about a third of your daily calcium and vitamin D, essential for absorption. Omega-3 salads reduce inflammation, slowing bone breakdown while supporting bone-building cells. Sardines also provide phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc for strong bones and are low in mercury. Mash them into avocado toast, toss them in salads, or add to pasta with lemon and herbs for a nutrient reel. Number 2 is kale, a deep green vegetable packed with highly absorbable calcium. 1 cup of cooked kale offers around 170 milligrams of calcium, with 50 to 60% absorption, nearly double some dairy. Kale is also loaded with vitamin K1, which locks calcium into bones, reducing fracture risk. It contains magnesium, essential for activating vitamin D, plus potassium to neutralize acids. Unlike spinach, kale is low in oxalates, making its calcium highly bioavailable. Steam lightly, bake into chips, or blend into smoothies. Pair with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado to maximize absorption. Number 1 is fortified plant-based milk, like soy or almond milk with added calcium and vitamin D. These drinks provide highly absorbable calcium paired with vitamin D for proper absorption. Soy milk also offers protein to support bone collagen. Regular consumption maintains higher bone mineral density, especially when combined with resistance exercise. Unsweetened versions are best to avoid sugar-related inflammation. Drink straight, in coffee, or over cereal for a daily bone-building boost. Now, let's discuss the 4 worst foods that destroy bones. Number 4 is sugary breakfast cereals. High sugar content spikes insulin, fuels inflammation, and accelerates bone breakdown. Refined grains strip essential minerals, and the combination with dairy can increase calcium loss. Swap them for steel-cut oats, Greek yogurt with fruit, or eggs with vegetables. Number 3 is processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli slices. High sodium content pushes calcium out of bones and into urine. Preservatives like nitrates and phosphates further disrupt bone metabolism. Saturated fats promote inflammation, and these meats provide little quality protein for collagen. Opt for fresh poultry, fish, or legumes for protein without draining your bones. Number 2 is excessive alcohol. Heavy drinking slows osteoblast activity, the cells that rebuild bone, leading to structural weakness over time. Alcohol disrupts hormones like estrogen and testosterone, reduces calcium absorption, and increases calcium excretion. Limit alcohol to moderate amounts. 1 drink per day for women, 2 for men, with alcohol-free days in between. Number 1 is sugary soft drinks, including colas and energy drinks. These combine high sugar, phosphoric acid, and caffeine, all damaging to bones. Phosphoric acid disrupts calcium balance, caffeine increases calcium excretion, and sugar fuels inflammation, interfering with bone-building cells. Studies show daily cola drinkers have significantly lower bone density. Energy drinks often contain more caffeine and added acids, compounding the effect. Swap them for sparkling water, unsweetened teas, or fortified milk alternatives. Your bones are living tissue, constantly breaking down and rebuilding. Every meal either strengthens or weakens them. Eating Greek yogurt, sardines, kale, and fortified milk while avoiding sugary cereals, processed meats. Excess alcohol and soft drinks gives your skeleton the nutrients it needs to stay strong and fracture-resistant. Bone loss is silent, but the consequences are not. Start now. You can protect and even rebuild your bones at any age.